Meaning of lecture.
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 Lecture. The word lecture can be used as a noun or a verb. As a noun, it refers to an educational or informative talk given to an audience, often as part of a course of study. As a verb, it means to give an educational or informative talk to an audience. A lecture is typically presented by an expert or authority on a particular topic and is intended to inform, educate, or persuade the audience. The purpose of a lecture can vary depending on the context, but it is usually given to help people learn about a specific subject.